Hey guys, hello everyone. Right now I've arrived at a manufacturer that specializes in making plastic components for Porsche. The manufacturer also produces lighting equipment. We'll walk through the showroom now to see what the manufacturer offers, and then we'll head over to the production area itself. Here you can see bumpers for various Porsche models. For example, this is a front bumper. Porsche Panamera 2011-2014, price is 2,000 yuan. There's also an exclusive option available to meticulously craft this particular kind of body kit from high-quality, lightweight carbon fiber, which comes with a significant cost of 35,000 yuan. Additionally, the rear trunk lid is priced at 2,000 yuan, but for a newer model of the vehicle, the cost for this specific component increases to 4,000 yuan. The manufacturer also offers lighting. For example, this rear tail light costs 4,000 yuan. We've arrived at the workshop itself, but as I understand it, they also have something like a showroom here. Or rather, not even a showroom, but an auto service center. Unfortunately, they don't allow filming behind my back, as there are cars here having body parts replaced. They allowed us to film one car. I'll show you what it all looks like now. Hopefully we'll be able to go further. Let's take a look at what the production itself looks like. Here, on this particular car, the original manufacturer meticulously replaced the entire front hood, then expertly installed this distinctive and aggressive-looking body kit, along with sleek, custom-designed mirrors and a prominent aerodynamically efficient rear spoiler, all contributing to its unique and enhanced aesthetic appeal. And right here at the manufacturer, it's possible to have all the carbon body parts installed at once. I think this shows that the parts are actually of pretty good quality. If the Chinese themselves bring their cars here, and on top of that the manufacturer installs all the body elements right here, you could say, without leaving the premises. That means everything fits, everything works. The manufacturer also has metal body parts. For example, here's a hood. The trunk lids are completely new. All of this is also produced here. There are probably about 20 cars behind me. Unfortunately, filming them is not allowed. On one of them, the body parts are being replaced right now. Now we're going up to the next floor, which as a rule is used for producing such large facilities. Floors 4, 5, and 6. It's quite a serious approach. You can see that they specialize in this, they really know their stuff. Look closely at how absolutely everything is meticulously done with genuine care and an incredible attention to detail. You can immediately and clearly see the manufacturer's profound level of unwavering commitment and dedication to quality. Let's take a much closer and more detailed look at the intricate and precise installation process of these various and essential mechanical parts, observing each critical step with careful attention. These are the various body parts that are specifically offered by the original equipment manufacturer. Fenders, bumpers. We don't see the rear trunk lid here, maybe it will appear later. Alright, let's move on. There's a whole entire conference room right here. Just look at how many truly interesting and fascinating things they are able to make. And rear lids too, complete with tail lights. And rear bumpers. Let's take a look at what the bumper looks like from the inside. We just found out that, as it turns out, they also have high-quality bumpers available for popular luxury vehicles like Range Rover and Mercedes. All right, let's quickly walk through the warehouse. Here are some brand new headlights. By the way, this isn't the whole warehouse. They also have a large warehouse on the first floor, as well as additional storage spaces upstairs. We've entered the warehouse with body parts. So basically, we're just walking around, going through the warehouses. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff, but it's interesting to see the actual production. Yeah, of course, their storage facilities are huge. Guys, take a look. There's a mango tree growing right next to the detailing shop. Of course, it's different from the mangoes that grow in the Philippines or Thailand. So that's basically what it all looks like. This is the spacious and well-equipped workshop where high-quality carbon fiber parts are meticulously crafted and manufactured with precision. Unfortunately, the lighting isn't very good, but you can see that the ovens are installed. This is the workshop where carbon fiber parts are produced. Well, basically everything is as usual. They took us around and around but didn't show us anything. But it's clear that this is specifically a manufacturer of body parts. In other words, it's not a middleman, not a trading company, it's an actual manufacturer. Of course, they don't just make body parts here, they also produce carbon fiber body kits. Of course, here in Russia, the Porsche brand isn't as popular as Toyota. But maybe someone will be interested in collaborating with this manufacturer. Perhaps someone might want to open a showroom in Russia. With that, I'll wrap up my short video. Thank you to everyone who watched, commented, and gave a like. See you next time.